Hey everybody, it's Ron from Ron's Basement. Thank you for joining me. Today, I have a quick video for you about what I think is a great opportunity within my favorite stock, Gold Resource Corporation. And what I see right now happening is a confluence or a bringing together of several negative factors which have pushed a stock, which in my opinion was already a great value. I bought it at $3 a share, all the way down to $2.60 per share. So I think there's three things that are kind of coming together right now in a negative fashion, which are creating a great buying opportunity. I found it's always a good opportunity or a good idea to buy when there's a confluence or a coming together of several negative factors regarding a company, which are temporary. Jim Rogers has said that. I've heard him say that before. He's a legendary investor. You know, you want to look for a company that's in a bad situation, but that you think things are going to change in the future and going to get better. So I definitely think that's the case with Gold Resource Corporation. Let me tell you what I think is happening right now. Number one, Gold Resource Corporation is a very conservatively managed company. So they do not issue stock all the time. They don't have big public offerings. They also don't issue any debt. So as a result, the investment banking community kind of ignores them. The investment bankers, the quote unquote analysts, make a lot of money off companies through fees when they issue stock or when they issue debt and the like. So Gold Resource Corporation has been kind of ignored by the analyst community. Secondly, they recently announced this big news about the spinoff of their Nevada operations, Fortitude Gold. As a result of that, and I've done the research, you can go to the Harvard Law Review, you can Google Harvard Law spinoff, and there's a great article written by the Harvard Law Department about what happens during a spinoff. And what's unique about a spinoff, what I learned, is that companies are severely collared or throttled or governed or limited, restricted in terms of what they can say during a spinoff transaction. So what's happened is Gold Resource Corporation announced the spinoff. They put out an S1 document. It was very kind of confusing to the market, but legally they're not allowed to say anything more about the spinoff. Now, I have my own ideas, and I've run some numbers, and there's some other videos. I think that the spinoff is going to be wildly successful, but the company can't, from what I read in this Harvard Law article, you know, they can't do a roadshow. They can't put out projections to the public. They can't put out, have big interviews talking about what a great opportunity this is. They basically have to be quiet until after the spinoff occurs. So it's created this kind of unique opportunity where you've got a company that was already ignored by the analyst, okay? And on top of that, they put out this news, which is kind of people are a little confused, and then they're confused because there's not a lot more information available. There is an S1 document that you can read, which is on their website. They filed with the SEC. That's got a lot of information, but most people won't do that. Most people are more on the surface. So you've got no analysts talking about it, and you've got this announcement that they're going to split the company. So people are like, "What's going on?" And most people aren't, and that's okay, aren't willing to dive in and really dig in deep and see the huge value that they're going to unlock by doing this spinoff. Okay, so let me review. The analysts already ignore the company. They announced a spinoff, which they can't really talk about or promote. And junior gold mining stocks have been in a little bit of a downtrend lately. So there's three factors that have come together, a confluence of factors, which has really pushed the stock price down. What I think is that basically all three of those will reverse in the coming 6 months or a year. I think that analysts will start to pay attention to Gold Resource Corporation because I think they're going to put out some incredible numbers next year if the gold price stays where it is or goes higher. They will next year be able to promote their new Fortitude Gold, their Nevada operations, and be able to talk about it and share projections and whatnot. Uh, and I certainly believe the junior gold mining sector is going to rebound. So, as hard as it is sometimes to buy stock or buy companies, and I bought at $3, so I wish I'd waited, but I bought at $3 per share, 303. Uh, Now is for you, if you're somebody who can have some foresight and kind of uh, skate where the puck is going to be. That's what Wayne Gretzky used to say. You want to skate to where the puck is going to be. If the gold price holds up or improves, uh, and things materialize with Fortitude Gold, like I foresee, the analysts are going to pay attention. It could be 6 months, a year from now, it could be the opposite, a confluence of positive factors about this company. It could get worse, but I think the odds of it getting really worse in terms of the stock price are much lower than things either kind of remaining in the same zone for a while or improving. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you take a look at Gold Resource Corporation, kind of try to see the forest through the trees. And take care. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.